Most people moving to Bowling Green think they've done their research until they get here and realize that there were things that they completely missed. I'm talking about choosing the wrong area, underestimating how the market works, or being caught off guard by the lifestyle differences. And the reality is, some of those mistakes aren't easy to fix once you've already moved. So before you pack up and head to Bowling Green, there are 10 things you need to know that can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. If we haven't met yet, I'm Nikki Adams. I help buyers and families relocate to Bowling Green, Kentucky, and every week I talk to people who are moving here from out of state. And these are the exact things that I walk them through before they ever make the move. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to know before moving to Bowling Green, Kentucky is that it is growing fast. Bowling Green is not the small, slow town that a lot of people expect. It's growing quickly. With major employers and steady population increases, new neighborhoods and developments are constantly being built. That growth is great for opportunity, but it also means the housing market moves faster than many out-of-state buyers expect. Second is the cost of living is lower, but not cheap. Yes, Bowling Green is more affordable than many larger cities, but it's not as cheap as sometimes people assume. Home prices have increased over the last few years, and desirable areas can be really competitive. You'll still get more value for your money here, but it's important to come in with realistic expectations. The third thing you should know is that location matters more than you think. Not all areas of Bowling Green are going to feel the same. Some neighborhoods are newer with modern homes and amenities, and others are more established with larger lots and mature trees. And some areas are much more convenient depending on where you work, schools, and lifestyle preferences. Choosing the right area is just as important as choosing the right house. Fourth is the housing market is different than big cities. Many buyers moving here expect either extreme competition or a super slow market, but Bowling Green tends to fall somewhere in the middle. It's more balanced. That means that you have options, but the best homes still move quickly. Understanding how quickly to act and when to negotiate is key. Number 5 is the job market and economy. Bowling Green has a strong and stable job market with major employers like Western Kentucky University, General Motors Corvette Plant, Med Center Health. These bring consistent job opportunities and support the local economy, as well as neighborhoods being developed throughout all of Warren County to keep up with the demand. The sixth thing you should know is that lifestyle is a big shift for some people. The pace of life here is a little different than in most places. If you're used to large city living, you'll find that Bowling Green may be a little slower. And if you're from country living, Bowling Green may seem like a big city. Things move slower here than in most other cities. Traffic is lighter when you compare it to places like Louisville or Nashville, and the overall lifestyle is more relaxed. For some people, that's exactly what they want. For others, especially coming from larger cities, it can take some adjustment. One of my favorite things you should know about Bowling Green is that community matters here. Bowling Green has a strong sense of community. People are friendly, relationships matter, and there's a local feel that you don't always get in bigger cities. This breaks down to everything from being involved in local nonprofits to seeing familiar faces and saying hi while getting groceries. Getting involved, whether through work events or local spots, makes a big difference in how quickly you feel at home. Number 8 is the weather and seasons in Bowling Green. Unlike many different cities in the U.S., Kentucky gets all 4 seasons. We have hot summers, mild springs, beautiful falls, and some cold winter weather. If you're moving from a completely different climate, this is something that you'll need to be prepared for in order to thrive in this city. Another great thing to know before moving to Bowling Green are some things to do. Bowling Green has more to offer than people expect. You've got attractions like the National Corvette Museum, Lost River Cave, and so many park options for kids and adults. Circus Square Park with music events every Friday during warmer weather, and so much more. Plus, local restaurants and events give the city of Bowling Green a lot of character. And finally, you need a strategy before you move. This might be the most important one. The buyers who have the best experience moving here are the ones who come in with a plan. They understand the area, the markets, their budget, and their goals. The ones who don't often end up making decisions that they regret later. If you're thinking about moving to Bowling Green and want help figuring out where to live, what to expect, and how to approach the market, use the link in the description to schedule a no-hassle call with me. I'd love to help you make the move as smooth as possible. If you want more videos about living, moving, and real estate in Bowling Green, make sure to subscribe. I post new content every week about the Bowling Green housing market.